Today we're going to show how to replace the D handle in the red Spade. First of all, we've got to take the rivet out that's there. So if we use about an 8mm bit and just drill it, so I think that's ready to punch through now. Let's put the old rivet out. Once you've got that old handle out and the new handle in, just make sure that it's square with the bottom of the spade, and then it's ready to drill with a 4.5mm bit. So we drill over halfway through one side and then go around the other side and drill through. That goes through there. Now that's ready to put the rivet in. And using a small ball peen hammer, put that over. And just slowly tap around it, try and burr the outside, burr it out. Just keep hitting it till it's down on the handle. Just needs a little bit more there. Nice and smooth, ready to use.